Welcome to the Fun Food Show with Chef Shelley and Paul Ryan, yours truly. Now, we're breaking history today because there was one time we had on a guest returning.
Right.
But with overwhelming response, it's the third time today with Dr.
People were writing in.
Robert Young. They were protesting outside Dia del Sol.
Right.
Not only did they want the avocado salad,
Yeah.
avocado oil.
Yeah.
In the
but it was the Dr. Young, Dr. Young,
Dr. Young, Dr. Young, Dr. Young, Dr. Young. That's you.
That's me?
Yes.
Couldn't be.
And your favorite salad.
His favorite salad is right here.
This is my favorite salad.
Why?
What is it called?
Well, it's called the colorful... I'll say
Easy
that
for
again.
you to say.
Yeah, easy. It's the colorful cabbage salad. Yes.
Right, and it's found in the Back to the House of Health 1. It's also found in the pH Miracle Updated and Revised. Yeah. We're going to be assembling this beautifully colorful cabbage salad today. Why do you prefer a cabbage salad versus a lettuce salad as your favorite salad?
I don't know. It just feels different on your stomach. You know, cabbage has been used for years to help settle the stomach, and I just like the way it tastes. I like the crunchiness of it too as well.
Right.
You know,
very chewy.
Moses loved the cabbage salad.
He did?
Yes, and the rumor is that the reason he was able to part the Red Sea was because of the colorful cabbage salad. I find these things out.
I see.
Yes.
I see. Well, as Rob mentioned, cabbage juice has been known to cure ulcers or any deterioration of the lining of the stomach or the digestive tract. So he's right about that. It's very soothing.
What is that?
And this is bell peppers for color and silica content. We have red, orange, and yellow bell peppers today. So we've kind of got a rainbow effect here.
You rarely see the yellows in the markets.
Yeah, and then we're going to do green bell peppers. And I think it's nice to mix up. I got a little bit of carrot here, vitamin A, and crunch and munch. Then we've got some parsley, beautiful parsley.
Nice.
Now, I have to tell you something. I've known Rob since we were very young. How young were we?
I've been young all my life.
Right. He's been young all his life. But I met him when he was about 17. I was 15.
It was a lot younger.
Well, I know, but you know.
About 5.
He was my boyfriend when he was 17, okay? Oh. So we're putting, one thing I noticed about him was he always ate his parsley, even back then, off his plate. And he always ate his parsley.
Well, everybody thought it was funny. You know, I mean, who would eat the
condiments? He was doing it to entertain.
But I ended up liking
the garnishings.
So what you're saying when you were a young boy, so there was a young boy named Rob.
Yes.
Who was the farthest thing from a snob. And he had a dream. He formed his team.
Yes.
And pH Miracles were bursting at the seam.
Yeah, and so here we have one bursting at the seam with the colorful cabbage salad. Now, we're going to dress the salad in a unique way today with our very, very own pressed from the Rancho del Sol avocados, avocado oil by pH Miracle. And I'm going to let Rob talk about the nutritional facts on avocados and why this oil is so unique.
Well, as Shelley would say, this is God's butter, but we love avocados so much because it's really the perfect combination of good healthy fats and protein. In fact, 15% of the avocado is protein, and an additional nutritional fact is that avocados have more potassium than bananas. But the benefit here is it doesn't have all the sugar. So you've got a low sugar fruit with high potassium, so it's a very highly alkalizing fruit. Good source of mono and polyunsaturated oil, and on top of that, a good source of protein. So we incorporate a lot of avocado into our diet. In fact, here at the Rancho del Sol, we have over 4,000 avocado trees. And we're the only ranch in the United States that literally presses their own avocados to make what we call the pH Miracle avocado oil.
You can't find avocado oil.
You can find it, but it's all imported. So we have here the first cold pressed organic avocado oil, and it's from California here at our ranch.
That's funny because I like Coldplay, the group. So this is cold pressed, and I could play Coldplay while I'm having the oil. I like it.
That's cool.
I think I get that.
Yes.
Yes.
And that is...
So now I'm continuing to dress the salad with fresh lemon juice on top of this beautiful buttery avocado oil. And then we're using our flavor liquid salt. This is salt that is suspended in water with retaining all of its alkalizing minerals. So that's why this is such an important element. It gives that nice salty taste. I would use this in place of any other type of salt. I would use it in the place of Bragg's or soy sauce, which are acidic. But this is your final dressing on the salad. This is all you need. You can carry this in your purse. Whoops!
Or
you can carry this in your salad bowl. And you can take it into any restaurant and use it in the place of what they're using there on a stir fry. If you were to go into a Chinese restaurant and you didn't want them to use soy sauce, you could ask them to use the liquid flavor salt and saute your stir fry that way. So, we've got a beautiful, beautiful, look at this beautiful, colorful cabbage salad.
Let me taste it. Let's see what it tastes like. Here we go. Crunchy. Tasty.
Delish.
Finger looking good.
I could put the flavor.
It is good.
The pH flavor in there. And
Let's go to a movie and have it instead of popcorn.
I could listen to Flava Flav on the radio. Another little one.
Yummy.
Your fruit preparations, you make it look so beautiful, Shelley.
Yeah. Well, food is art.
And art is food.
That's right.
Yes, remember that. Thanks for joining us. See you
next
next time.
time. Salud.